Thomas Shelby has used this law against Luca Changreta. Conor McGregor used this law against his opponent. And you?
You can use this law to make yourself mysterious, being captivating people's attention. The question is, how you can do this? It will all be explained by the end of this video. But before you use this law blindly, there are some dangerous caveats you need to be aware of, or it will lead to your downfall.
Robert Greene recommends that at the start of your career, you must attach your name and reputation to a quality and image that sets you apart from other people. This image can be something like characteristic style of dress or personality that amuses people and get talked about.
Once the image is established, you have an appearance, a place in the sky for your star. The question is, what makes this work? And the answer is,
society craves larger than life figures people who stand above the genre. Mediocrity. Never be afraid then of the qualities that sets you apart and draw attention to you.
law of power, law 6, court attention at all costs. Surround your name with sensation and scandals. A name without fame is like a fire without flame.
Remember, most people are upfront, can be read like an open book, talk little, care to control their words or image, and hopelessly predictable.
So, how you can be more mysterious? There are a couple of ways. Practice silence. Make occasionally ambiguous remarks. Be purposely inconsistent. Appear eccentric. Combine all four of these things and you will create an air of mystery, which other will try to magnify by trying to interrupt what you say and do.
Burning more brighter than those around you is a skill that no one is born with. You have to learn it to attract attention if you want to use it for your own gain.
Here is an example of quoting attention in UFC. Conor McGregor understands the power of game.
He does in following ways. Flamboyant clothing. Second one is his loud mouth. And the final one is his antique.
Observance of this law. The great scientist Thomas Edison knew to raise money he had to remain at public eyes. Almost as important as the invention themselves. How to present them to public and court attention. Edison would design a visual dazzling experiment to display his discovery with electricity. If we talk of future invention that seemed fantastic at that time, robots and machines that could photograph his thought, but he had no intention of wasting his time. But that make people talk about him. He did everything so that he will receive more attention than his great rival Nikola Tesla, who may actually have been more brilliant than he was, but whose name was far less known. In 1915, it was a rumor that Nikola and the Edison would be the joint recipient of that Air Nobel Prize in physics. But the prize was eventually given to the pair of English physicists. Later, it was discovered that the prize committee has actually approached Edison, but he had turned them down, refusing to share the prize with Tesla. But why? Why he has done this? Because by that time his name was more secure than Tesla, and he thought that it's better to refuse the honor and that to allow his rival's attention that would even come from sharing the prize. So let us take the sixth way to court attention. Attack the powerful.
If you find yourself in a lowly position, that's offer a little opportunity for you to draw attention. An effective trick is to attack the most visible, most famous, most powerful person you can find. By attacking the powerful, you draw attention to yourself, attention that you can use.
Keep reinventing yourself.
Once in the limelight, you must constantly renew it by adopting new method of courting attention. If you don't, the public will grow tired, will take you for granted, and will move on the new star. The game required constant creativity.
Be unpredictable.
People feel superior to the people whose action they can predict. If you show them who is in control by playing against their expectation, you will gain their respect.
I've got it all worked out. We can use his death to win this war.
Create an air of mystery.
Understand, In a world growing increasingly banal and familiar, what seems enigmatic instantly draw attention. Never make it too clear what you are doing or about to do. Do not show all your cards. An air of mystery heighten your presence. It also creates anticipation. Everyone will be watching you to see what happens next.
That's it guys from today's video. Hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, so like it and share it with someone you know. And yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So till the next video, tata, bye bye, take care.